My name is Patrick Waweru Mungai, the head of technology here at Tangazoletu, and we actually deliver quite a number of solutions: mobile banking solution, health solution, and actually custom-made solution. So regarding to the various niches and various people that we do affect, so we affect basically like members of circles, whereby they are able to reach the various services or the various mobile banking, like withdrawals, deposit, transfer to bank, so that they don't have to travel to long distances ideally to transact. Also, even if they would like items like loan, if a farmer needs a loan on the mobile banking channel, they can be able to access that loan and actually facilitate a particular activity that ideally they have. If they want to transfer funds from their circle to the bank, either to pay school fees, to do all those aspects, so they should be able to use our solutions to transfer. And the good thing about it, our solutions, they are across the board. So from the farmer who does not have a smartphone, he can use USSD, to the one who has a mobile app, they can be able to a feature phone, he can use the mobile banking solution. Those who like to transact with the WhatsApp, they can. In diaspora, we have the internet banking solution, whereby they can log in and actually be able also to do their transaction even in remote places. In other niches, like our scoring engine assists the particular financial institution to reduce the impact of losses, whereby they're able to score the customers and actually expand their loan portfolio by reducing the non-performing loans and scoring the customers correctly, and being able basically to avail the solution to people who can be able to repay, and also be able to make quite some good revenue and grow their product portfolio. Other solutions that we have in practice, like with the Ministry of Health, we usually support the TB patients in the payment systems, whereby TB is highly transmitted diseases, and the government and ideally the WHO would like to reduce its impact, since it has quite some long medication. And we have provided a solution whereby there are stipends provided to patients, like every end of the month, like 6K, also to support the healthcare workers who also supporting those particular patients. And overall, we are targeting to reduce the TB impact and actually reduce the prevalence of that kind of a disease. So you find that every month we are able now to give the necessary statistics and actually gauge whether the funding that has been given or the government is being able to achieve particular milestone in regards to that disease reduction, and they can be able now to see where they can now invest better. And in addition, they can also be able to ensure that the funds are utilized properly in regards to accounting, since the guys supervising them, they can upload the receipts and any cost expenses that they have actually used in those aspects. We also do solutions for MFIs and also banks, whereby in MFI they're able ideally to also provide the mobile banking, agency banking solutions to their customers, and also even they're able to do the field work digitally, without having to incur too many transaction costs and reducing the paperwork. So you find that yes, members and groups who are in remote areas are actually reachable by our solutions, and even as the particular organization, they can be able also to track the expenses and also track if the agents or the officers sent to the members are actually doing what exactly they are expected ideally to do. Other solutions we have are actually like bulk SMSs and ideally like PRSP systems, whereby we are able to both send single and bulk transmission of messages. If you would like to market and do a number of items, you're able to do. We have quite other robust solutions, whereby we have wallets where any person can be able to integrate to other API and fulfill particular transactions. As long as the necessary data aspects are actually fulfilled, we are able ideally to assist in those kinds of actually integrations. So our solutions are very secure and very resilient. So we ensure that we not only just just provide technology, but also ensure the security of the funds and the technology and actually the data for the members that we are actually handling. Bear in mind that we have both financial and medical data. Yes, we ensure that our system are robust, secure, and we are able also to ensure that they are highly available to serve the customers whenever ideally they need. That is, every member or every customer who tries to reach the solution, he can be able to achieve the particular objective he wants, and many more other innovations that we plan to empower and enrich those solutions together with the members who use them. We at Tangazoletu delivering impact-driven solutions.